Ano ako guys, mag-attempt ako na change oil sa car.
You know where to jack it up?
Yeah, in between this thing here and that, because there's a hard part.
Okay.
Right? And this is right here where there's like
Yeah.
earlier I couldn't do because I'm hitting those things, so I had to. Okay, am I
Okay,
there?
what's your phone?
Oh, shit. Okay. I think I'm there now. There. Oh, more, because I'm hitting more. There. Okay. That's there. You want to check?
Are you doing it both sides?
Yeah, I'll do it both sides. For
High
sure.
enough for you to get under it?
Oh, is that right enough?
I don't know.
Then how far does this go? Oh, it can go very far. Let's do it. I thought that's... Oof, there. Right there. There. Ooh. Ooh. No more. Ooh. What was that? Why did you go up higher? More. More. That's not more. Where am I? I'm going to go right here. Oof. Hot. That's high. Slowly. I think that's good. Oh, now to the other side. Okay, now here. Do not break the plastic. Am I lifting the plastic? Okay. Where's nothing? Right. Oh wait, I did. Okay, I did. It's right there next to me. This is next to me. There, is that good? Is that the same height now? I don't know what the height of the other one is. Is that the same height? 1, 2. Are we there? Okay. Oh, no, I have to leave this for that, just in case that will fall. Then I can have this somehow. Now, I should be able to get under. Let's go under the car. Okay. Well, that's scary. Where is it? Right there. And the other one is okay. So it's this. You guys see? It's this one. I have to remove, and this right here. Where do I? Where's my? Where did it go? Oh wait. Oh my god! It's so hot. I need a fan. Let me get a fan because we're dying under. Where's the fan? That's not the work. Oh, that's not good. Where's the thing for this? Okay, I'm back. This is the one that I opened before we do this thing. I cannot. Wow, very hard. Holy cow. Why is it very tight? No. Am I tightening it or not? No, okay. No, that was correct. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. Do it with 2 hands. I need a hammer. We are back. Did this thing go down? Jeez, why is it so hard? Cannot. Where's my one there? Okay, I got it. I got it. Woo! Thank you, Lord. Now. Woo! Got it, guys. So now the oil is draining. I don't know if you can see where it is. It's right here. Right there, draining. So now let's clean. Come out and let's clean for you. Clean it good. Go ahead and do this. It's slowing down. Oh, good. Right there. I think I need to open this. Where is it? This one. So it will take a while. So I got this thing cleaned up. I'm gonna clean more. Can't believe finally able to open it. There. It's clean now. You'll have to let it empty everything. Oh, the fan is helping for sure. So hot here. By the way, my husband is here, so he is helping me out. But I told them that I wanted to try it, do it myself, because I watched a lot of videos. It seems very easy. My only worries which happened was if I could turn loose this thing. That was a struggle because I'm not that strong. Do I have to replace this thing here? Do I have to replace this thing, whatever you call it? This? Let me see if I have the parts for it. Is this one? Did you double it? So yeah, that's for this.
Did you figure out which way is tight and which way is loose?
Yeah, because I felt first tight, and then I mean to lose it. I mean it doesn't move, so I did it the other way. Well, no, it doesn't work. I had to get the hammer.
It's tight.
I know you did it. It's very good.
You know the tight.
Yeah, I'm just not that strong. Whew, it's hot. Now is the filter. Where's my filter? I'm sweating. Ooh, hot. Yeah, it's still draining. Small, but I have to let it drain. Hold on. There it is. There. Do you see that? So here it is. There's that. And then I put a new one of this. Oh my god, what happened to my hair? This life of a mechanic. Anyway, so I replaced the old one. Make sure this is very clean from oil. I mean, it will still get oil, but no dust. We don't want dust. It's still draining. Nah, it's been draining for a while now. It's still draining. It's draining forever. Now it's dripping. So you let it drip, right? For a while. Okay guys, my husband has to leave because we have an AC problem at one building, commercial building, and the tenants will be there tomorrow. It's an office building. So we need to fix it now because it's so hot. So now I'm alone, yay! But we got YouTube to figure out everything. Oof, too hot. So how much do I put in here? Do I put that whole thing?
I don't know how much does it take.
I think it was 5 1/4, but I only have 5. Do you have more?
What is that?
If I need O2, okay, now open the thing. I have to put it right on in here. Now how do I get that far? I have to have a step stool. Yikes. Okay. Well, I think it's done draining now. So I'm gonna have to get it, clean the thing. I don't need you. Maybe I need it later. Ah, it's still dripping. Wow. It is still dripping. I'm gonna put you very close to it right there. So and I will let it drip until it's dry. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll have to go inside first. It's hot out here. Okay. Should be done now. I mean, it's still dripping, but just not much anymore. So let's put this back. Oh. Let me just. I know it's still dripping. Jeez, it's still going to drip. Make sure we're putting the screw back. Oh no! There's some paper towel down here. Yeah, that's good for now. I'm not going to tighten it later. Because I'm still going to do the filter. So, yeah. Now the filter. So I am done with that. Oh no, I'm not done. I have to figure stuff later. Oh no! Oh my god! Why is that hard? It doesn't fit. Let me put this under. Just a little. It's supposed to work. Ow! I had to turn already. But I can't turn. Oh no. Oh my god, this one is hard. Whew. Ow, my arm. My arm is tired. Whew. Now let's get it going. Why are you hard? Give me some up. Ow! Come on. Oh my god! I put nothing on it. Oh man. What do I do? This one is hard. How am I gonna turn this? Let me find something else. No, the guy said they're not this, right? Look at the space here. Ouch. Huh. Let me have the other one like this. Okay guys, I think I figured the tools. Let's see if this will work. It's the extension. Because I cannot turn it. Yes. Now here we are again with the thing. I cannot turn it. Do I have to remove this thing or should I just remove the whole thing right here? That might be why. Yes. That's probably right. I should. Here we are again. I cannot turn. We always get stuck here. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me watch the YouTube again. Tama nga yung ginagawa ko. Tinignan ko sa video pero kasi hindi ko siya ma-turn na naman. Ang ano niya, napaka-tight. So how do I turn this? Iba talaga pag lalaki. Sawa ko kasi na gano'n ito. Ay, I got it! Yahoo! I did it! Okay. That's supposed to... Let's see if I can turn by hand. Yeah, okay. Put this in case magulit siya. Green. Okay, green siya kunti. Saan yung ano ko? Ay, shoot ako green. Another paper towel. Ito na, natanggal ko na. Ayan, dito pala. Ito na, yung tinanggal ko. Kailangan talaga ng mas malakas pa na ano. Inubos ko lahat malakas ko. Okay, ayan na. Linis na. Now, let's remove this other one. Now this will leak a lot. Which one works with this? Good question. Is it this one? Oh, it is that. Or is it this one? No, that's it. Or is it this one? Oh, I think it's that one. That one? Okay. Oh, no, it's not gonna work. Uh-oh. Not good. How am I gonna do that? No, I do need this here. I will work it here. Yeah. Okay. There you go. So let's remove the filter cap. Oh no, this is not the one. Is that the one? Okay, hurry. Again, if I can remove it. No? It's not full. That's not the full. Yeah, but this one. But I need another. I need another size of this. Maybe the next one. Oh. Okay, I'm back. I am going to try this other size. That one didn't work. Oh no. Wait, that is a turn. Still not all the way. Okay, now it's loose. Put this under. Look, I will be leak. Yep, here we go. Whew. Can you see it here? Okay, hold on. Can you see it? That's my face. Right there. So it's draining. Wait, it's draining. I need another paper towel. Okay, now we're out. Oh! Okay, here it is. It's the what do you call it? Filter. The oil filter. And this is the new one. Let me get some more paper towel. We'll figure this out. Because I need to know what thing to put in there. Okay, I found it. It's right here. This is the one that needs to go with this. And then this one. Okay, I found it. Oh, I'm got sick. I need to remove this. How do I remove this thing? Let me go get some. Let's remove this. Okay. O-ring. Because we have a new one. Make sure to clean it very good before we put that back. Okay, here it is. Here's the new one. Okay. Now the smaller one is here. There. Let's clean that also. Guys, if I get this to work, everything, I will be patting my back. I already replaced the battery before. My car died when my husband was at home. I had to call my friend to bring me to the store to get the battery. I mean, she came pick me up here, brought me to the store, brought me back here, and I replaced the battery alone. And it worked. The battery that's being used right now, that's the one. That was last year. Okay, now, the filter. There's the new one. There you go. New filter. Look at the old one. Supposed to the new one. Let's get more paper towel. Oh wait, I forgot to put the O-ring. Holy cow. There it is. Oh no, why won't you fit? Oh my gosh, why is it big? It seems big, but I don't think it is. Oh, I think it's just getting pushed later once I put it back. Oh, no, it fits. Perfect. Just need more paper towel. Oh my god, I'm gonna use the whole roll of paper towel. Okay, now let's put it back. Put it back. Oops. Don't get sick. Don't get sick. Okay, I cannot fit. Ouch. There we go. Is it done? Clicking? Draining? Let's wipe it off. Very good. I'm done with that thing now. Let's wipe it before I put back the new. Oh, something in my eye. I should have worn goggle. Forgot there's some dust here. Yeah, okay. Where's my thing? Let's put it back. Okay, now let's tighten it. Okay. Oh, I'm thinking more. I'm losing it. What? This one. Why is that hard to tighten? Oh, shoot. Anyway. Oh, I need to put it here. No wonder. That explains. I'm doing it wrong. I'm totally doing it wrong. So it has to go to the... There you go. That's tight. Tight na. Tight for me. Now, we'll replace this with the other one. That's the wrong size now. Oh, no, I don't need to. I have to use the other one. Come on. Ah! So I've got now this one. Let's tighten it more. This is what I need to use. There's so many things to use. Oh, I can do it backward again. Okay, that's enough. Woo! I am done down here. Need to screen up. Now we gotta fill it. Oh, oh my God. Whew. I hope I did it right. Look at my hair. It's hard to be a mechanic. I'm getting sick. Okay, let's pull our oil out. Here. So it's all drained in there now. But I have to wipe this off. Good. There. Oh my God. Whew. That is hard. Have some fun. Whew. I am getting sick. Now this is so high. I need to get or should I lower it down now? I think I need to lower down the thing. Should I make sure it's very tight? I think I tightened it as much as I could. I'm not a man, so it's gotta be different than the man's strength. But I wanna double check before I completely lower it down. My hair is so bad. I want to double check before I completely do it. Okay, that's tight. And then this one here. Okay. And then this one, that's it. This one here. Keep changing, switching things. Okay, that's it. So tight na. That's good. I'm gonna wipe one more. I'm gonna have to lower that far now. Okay, we are done down here. All my mess. You know, I'm gonna have to lower this. Oh, remove the thing first. Gonna have to remove this. This is how you do it. I forgot. How do you do it? Well, this have lowered in. So let's lift it. There you go. Now, out. The other side. Back here. This one. Okay, why is it very... I have to lift it more. That way. Let's lift it. I hope that lifted that side. Well, I can't. How? How am I gonna go do that now? Oh, let's lift it more. But I'm just lifting this side. I have this lifted. I cannot. How do I get that to this side now? So the more I lift it there. Okay, never mind. Never mind, I did it wrong backward. I have to lower this so that one will be lifted. Wait a minute. Yeah, I have to lower it slowly. Ooh, that wasn't slowly. So now, I have to do this here. Turns out. I'll make sure I am the right. It's very important not to do that. It's paused. Okay, I got to lower down the car. I didn't realize I paused the video. Now, let's switch it around, turn it around. Okay, now, magana natin yung new oil. I need step stool because I cannot reach. I have to step on this. Mahirap maging matanggal. Okay, now, how many should how much? Here's the funnel. Huh? Is it right there? I want to make sure that I am putting it in the right place. That's right there, right? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to have a break and watch the video. I want to make sure. Oh yeah, that is the one because it says right there's EOW20. Which is this one. OW20. C20. There. That's the same as that, so I'm sure that's the one. But to be real sure, let's check it again. That was correct. I am so feeling like car sick from looking upside down. Okay, let me put you here, and let's put this. Can you see from there? Okay. We'll do it slowly. Hey, babe. Let's check first. Okay, we have to check this one right here. Is it too soon to check it? Yeah, I think we're only halfway. Right here, half. Going that right. Let's do it again. I don't know where it is. Where? Oh, it's only here? I need to let it drain more. I think I did it too soon. Put more. to let it drain a little bit before I will test it. I'm gonna let it drain. I have to clean up. Putting all this back. Now let's try it again. Oh my god, it's only right here. Right? I think so. Yeah. Why? How much do I need? I thought it's only 5 quarts. Just put more. Whew. I hope that will do it. I don't went over doing it either. How much we have left here? Okay, done. Now this, where I have to check like how much oil in there. I'm gonna have to have my husband do it later. Because that's the hardest one for me to figure out where exactly the line is. It's hard to see. So we can do that. For the meantime, I'm gonna have to write down like the mileage and the date when I change the oil, which is today. So I will know when to change it again. And I need to figure how to remove the maintenance required choo-choo from my dashboard there. Need to remove it. Look at my hair. It's hard to be a mechanic. Oh my god, I got dirty. But I cleaned it up already. Gone. And now I just need to get the thing, write it down, and then put back my car to its place. How do they do it? Thank you, and the next service due date. This was the old one. Okay, bye.